I put the color information in, I select the product, and I press enter, and the computer comes up with a formula for me. I go get the base, then I scan it. We hit the little thing that says print and dispense. Our formula pops up and gives us a sticker. We place the sticker on top of the can for later reference, just in case if you need more. You just bring the lid in. The software is basically Windows, so it's very easy to operate. Put the can under the lights. There it goes. Another fine custom can of paint by Norfolk Hardware. No, this is the best part of looking at it like this. Before and after. Couple minutes, it'll be all done. Paint always looks lighter than it is before it's dry. So I always try and put a sample on the top. Makes everybody feel warm and good when they see it. And everybody wonders why we have a hairdryer in the paint department. Nice and shiny for years of durability.